Hello everyone, this is your axolotl. This person trained their dogs to remain perfectly still. This was a scary moment where those people were walking through a jungle when they bumped into a gorilla in accident. The tour guide told them to look away and be quiet and hope that it would ignore them.
Move back here. Step back here. Hump back. Slowly. Here, to my side. All of you.
It seems like the most exhausting time of the year for everyone. These people found a wild horse with his foot stuck in the hair around his neck. The rescuers helped untangle the foot and the horse was able to walk again 5 minutes later.
It's running around, doing circles around us. Nice, good.
They're nothing better than a relaxing day in the beach.
Dude, head somewhere else. Okay, that'll work. No, get your own spot.
Told you guys, dang it.
Here's a box that's more than just a box. This cat hates its own reflection. This little cuttlefish wanted to say hello to this giant finger. This person casually floated down on their parachute when they were instantly attacked by a gang of kangaroos.
What's up, Skip? Hey, back off! Back off! Go away! Kangaroos.
This monkey and this husky formed a friendship together. This person created a stop-motion animation of what it's like to make breakfast using Legos. Here's a candle that burns around in a circle.
Hey Milo, there's something serious I need to tell you. You're adopted.
This person tried to drive away and refused to accept that their car was getting towed. This fish was trying to attack this drone.
Ngap, dapat fotonya nggak? Video aja. Udah nih. Ikan lu loncat-loncat. Wih gila ini ikannya. Gila kan?
Check out the lightning fast reflexes of this frogfish. This is what it's like to fly straight down in an F-16 fighter jet. That's on this video. I really hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys very soon.